Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Does NatureThroid require a prescription? Yes, NatureThroid does require a prescription which must be written by a doctor. NatureThroid is a natural desiccated thyroid replacement therapy obtained from pig thyroid glands. First released in the 1930s, it was one of the first available medications for hypothyroidism. It contains T4 and T3 replacement hormones and is available in 11 strengths ranging from grain, 16.25 mg, to 3 grain, 195 mg. It also contains naturally occurring thyroid cofactors T1, T2, calcitonin, and iodine, in trace amounts. NatureThroid is not FDA approved. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.